Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Capital One for online banking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Capital One for online banking, start by visiting the official Capital One website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, type your password in the appropriate field. If you're using a personal device, consider checking the box for "Keep me signed in." This will save your login information for future visits. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link provided on the page. Follow the prompts to recover your information. For added security, you may be asked to complete multi-factor authentication. This could involve receiving a code via text or email. Enter the code in the designated field to verify your identity. After successful authentication, you will be directed to your Capital One online banking dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. If you encounter any issues during the process, check the help section for assistance. Your online banking experience with Capital One is now set up and ready to use. Make sure to log out after each session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.